it's Rebecca from The Modish Maker, and today I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to use your brand style guide template in Canva. So, first of all, if your template looks a little bit tiny, that's because Canva has probably fitted it to your screen, so I'm going to show you how to zoom in. So if you look to the bottom right-hand corner of your page, you'll see a percentage, and that's how much your template is zoomed in at. So right now mine's at 30%, which is why it looks pretty small. I'm going to click on that and move it up to about 75%. So next I'm going to show you how to drag and drop images into these placeholders I have set up for you here. Canva calls them frames. So I have some set up at the top of your template for your logo and submark, and then I have some at the bottom for your graphic elements, patterns and textures, and photo styles. So let's say you have a business logo saved on your computer. You want to upload it into Canva and drop it into this frame here. So let's go to the left hand side of our page here. You'll see an upload button. Click on that. And then you'll see a purple upload media button. Click on that. And since I'm uploading my logo from my computer, I'm going to click on device here. Find the logo you want to upload. Click on it. Click on open. And you'll see it loading into Canva. Once the bar is full, it's uploaded, ready to drag and drop in. So we're just going to click on our logo here, hold, and drag and drop it into our frame. Pretty simple, which is one of the reasons why I love Canva. It's so easy to use. So let's say you want to use one of Canva's photos for one of your photo style photos. So if you look to the left-hand side of your page again, you'll see a Photos tab. Let's click on that, and you'll see all of the photos that Canva has to offer. A ton of them are free. Some of them are only available for pro subscribers. But once you find a photo you'd like to use, again, you just click, hold, drag it, and drop it into the frame. So next I'm going to show you how to use the color palette I have set up for you. So I have 4 colors that you can change here in your color palette. Let's click on the first one. And once you click on it, you'll notice that a little box shows up here showing the color that you selected. So let's click on that, and then click on New Color. And here you can select any color you'd like. So just pick out your brand color, and you'll see over here it changes your color palette for you. And what's also great about Canva is underneath your color selector, you'll see a code here. It has like a hashtag with 6 digits, and this is your hex code that I was telling you about in my blog post. So let's highlight our hex code, copy it. I do Command C to copy. You can also right click, copy, and let's paste it underneath our color. So now we have our brand color and our hex code underneath it. So you can do that for the remaining colors in your color palette. Now let's change our typography. So in order to change the fonts I have set up for you here, just click on the text. And once you click on it, you'll see that font drop box pops up. So if you click on that, you'll see all of the fonts that Canva has to offer for you to use. Again, a ton of them are free. If you see a little crown next to it, that means that this font is only for a Canva Pro subscriber. So that one wouldn't be free unless you have the Canva Pro subscription. But again, go ahead and select the font you'd like. And once you click on it, you can see that the text in your text box has changed to that font. And you can see that now my text is a little bit too big for my text box. So I'm going to resize that by highlighting all of the text in my text box. And then up here is your font size. I'm gonna click down one to 17, and now it fits perfectly. So I also added a little section up here where you can add your font type and font name. So let's click back on our font and we can see that the one I used here is Libre Baskerville. So I can type that into my font name. And since this is a serif, I'll type serif. And there you go. Now you know how to easily use your new brand style guide template. For up here in the tagline and words section, again, just click on the top text box and type in your tagline there. Type your brand words in here. Fill in the rest of your frames and you're good to go. Thanks guys, and I'll see you next time.